Hey, so welcome to the project demonstration for Accessibility Caption Generator, a web-based tool that automatically generates image alt text captions to support screen reader accessibility. Alright, so let's jump into the demonstration. This is our UI built with Streamlit. It's very modern and nice looking. We are required to upload any image here. So I'll just upload some images. I'll upload this image. Once the image is uploaded, the system processes it and returns multiple caption suggestions in three formats: concise, descriptive, and emotive. Right. So I'll generate caption. So here is the alt text. So yes, our application is working as intended. We can further tighten the responses here. And yes, we have our application. We can even test it out for other images as well. Hmm. Click on generate caption once again. So yes, this is working fine. Let's talk about the impact. Fostering true digital inclusivity. Empowerment provides critical information to visually impaired users. Compliance helps organizations meet WCAG and SEO benefits. Rich alt text improves search engine indexing. Efficiency streamlines content creation workflows for accessibility teams. So this is again a very impactful project as it helps in accessibility, providing accessibility across the web. If a student is able to build this kind of project, then he or she is able to integrate computer vision into practical user interfaces, generate natural language descriptions from visual content, and build a clean, interactive Streamlit app optimized for accessibility workflows.